Hi y'all. You see I've been a little busy. I had much to say. I'm getting down to it, trying to get something done. But yeah, you can see I've got a little better than halfway done harvesting these logs, skinning them out, getting them all prepared for a secret project. And any of y'all can guess what it is, just put in the comments below to see who's been paying attention to the past videos. Anyway, glad y'all here. This is something new for me, this type of construction, but we'll see how it turns out. I've been at the University of YouTube, so I should be able to pass it with flying colors. No problem, right? Anyway, so but yeah, thanks again for visiting, and even though I didn't have much to say today during this little mini project, getting things ready for a bigger project, but it's all good. Those of you who just tuned in, welcome to Alaska Wild Serenity. Join me on my journey here. Be sure to subscribe if you like this content, and watch this goofy old guy learn his ways through Alaska, and trying to achieve peace and serenity, starting over this late in life. But it's all possible if you just gotta have the right mindset, and anything can come true as long as you can dream it, and thank the Lord above for getting you through any and all situations. But he saved me and put me in this serenity state. Anyhow, I've been rambling along enough. Like I said, if you like this content, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the little bell to get the notifications of up and coming videos or shorts or whatever I might throw at y'all. But yeah, I enjoy having you as always, and y'all stay tuned for up and coming more videos. Like I said, this is going to a project coming up soon. I got my big goal for this year I'll be able to accomplish. Be sure to look out for that video, and y'all probably seen that little excavator show up. But anyway, Mother Nature had other ideas, so I wasn't able to use it. But we'll get it done. It's all good. And just want to mention, on June 21st, there's a YouTube roundup in Meadow Lakes, Alaska, kind of pretty much in Wasilla, on the 21st. I can put details of it below in the description, but yeah, it's for all creators and subscribers. You're all welcome. We're gonna have 2 different meals that day, and some giveaways, and should be a good time. You can meet your favorite people out that day, and I get to meet some of y'all maybe, and sound like a good time. So y'all make it a point to be there. Like I said, I'll put the information in the description below, and all I got to say now is y'all be blessed, be happy, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next one, all right?